In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos with Kling AI step by step. First, open Kling AI and sign in to your account. From the main dashboard, go to the video creation section and choose the option for generating a new video. Before generating your video, think about the scene you want to create. Decide on the main subject, location, action, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. Now write your prompt. A good prompt should clearly explain what you want the AI to generate. For example, you can describe a person walking through a modern city at sunset, with realistic movement, cinematic lighting, and a smooth camera tracking shot. After entering the prompt, check the available settings and select the options that fit your project. Then start the generation process. Once Kling AI finishes generating the video, preview the result. Pay attention to the character, background, motion, camera movement, and overall visual quality. If the result is exactly what you wanted, improve your prompt instead of starting completely from scratch. Add more specific details about the movement, environment, or camera direction, and then generate another version. You can also experiment with different scenes and styles to create cinematic videos, realistic scenes, action clips, product videos, shorts, and social media content. For the best results, keep your prompts clear and focused. Avoid putting too many unrelated actions into one prompt, because this can make the generated video less consistent.